In this video, I'm going to show you how to park a call in your Universe communication system. Call Park allows you to receive an incoming call or make an outgoing call. Put this call on hold or park. Allow someone else in your company to pick up that call or return to the call yourself. The Universe system has 9 dedicated parking lots. These are accessed by selecting blind transfer, then pressing *9 on your keypad and then a number between 1 and 9, followed by the green phone symbol. A customer calls in. I pick up their call on my desktop soft phone, fixed phone, or using the mobile soft phone app. I need to park the call whilst I consult with a colleague. First I press blind transfer, then dial *9 on the keypad and then a parking lot number. I'm choosing lot 1. You need to be sure to press the green phone symbol after this. The call is now parked and the caller hears music on hold. I can now place or receive other calls. When I or my colleagues want to retrieve the call, I simply press *91 followed by the green phone symbol on the keypad. Now I've resumed the call. The call can be retrieved by anyone on any device in the company by dialing *91 or *9 and the designated lot number that you've selected, then the green phone button. For more how-to videos, user guides and other useful information, please visit the resources page on our website. Thank you for watching.